In this tip of the day, let's take a look at using construction geometry to save time when creating details on a solid model. Now in this example, let's say that we need to create a 1-inch diameter circular pocket at the center of all three of these faces. Well, here's a quick way of doing that without using coordinates. Head over to the Command Manager, select Line, and then what you're going to do is create a diagonal line in between opposing corners of each face. So here's how we do that. We're going to left click, and when we're done, right hand mouse click, left click, and then right hand mouse click. Now what we can do is head over to our construction plane tools, and we're going to create a construction plane on each face. Let's use this command because this is much faster than using construction plane through 3 points. We're going to use this command, create plane from surface, and then left click on that surface. Once we've done that, we can go into our circle command, and now you can simply left click the very center of each one of those diagonal lines. Just make sure you get that little triangular prompt to ensure you're at the center. Then left click to create the circle, and then right hand mouse click to finish the command. Now let's go back into our same construction plane tool and snap that face. Back into the circle command, and just left click the center of the diagonal line. And when you're done, right hand mouse click. Back into the construction plane tools, left click the face, go back into your circle command, and left click the center of the diagonal line. And by snapping to the center of those diagonal lines, you've saved yourself from having to use coordinates. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.